So now it's doing a circuit, just recording video. So I'll figure out whether I can create a 3D model from here.
Beautiful.
When I went from photos to video on here, it raised the camera, so it wasn't going to capture the sides, so I just had to go into a steeper camera angle. Yeah, well, from that angle, you're getting nearly all of the sides of the building as well. So there's really no point in doing a lower one, is there? The only thing that you'd get from a lower one is underneath, underneath there. So we might get it around there. Where's he gone? Okay, he's here. When he comes around, I'll bring it down. And
you can't hear yours at all.
Yeah, maybe it's just that there's a bit of a breeze out today. Let's.
He was like, oh, it doesn't disturb the birds, that's why.
So once it gets around the side there, that's where we started. I'll bring it down just while it's still, just so that it's higher than that tree.
Yeah, that tree's 60.
That's about right.
Oh yeah, that's good. The trouble with these videos is that there's that butcher bird again. Here you go. See, it comes up.
Battery level is low.
Battery level low.
Will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
21%. I'll be right.
Just be careful with the cams.
Return to home.
Okay, it's returning now. This is good. This return to home function. See, it travels down that.
That's right.
There he is. And now he comes down. See.
Here he comes. Make sure there's no current.
It'll land right in the middle of this. See, it puts this little image there.
That's right. Camera goes vertical.
They are bloody accurate.
That's why they use them for bombing runs in Ukraine. Have you seen some of the footage?
I don't know whether they use DJIs, but
Yeah, they have.
have they really?
Shit, yeah, it's all Chinese.